Kadang-kadang tuh lebih nak kalau
Ikaw, macet ka nyo rin normal.
You cannot now say, coach, I take it this and I try to make it. It's not my selection. There is no excuse in all about it. I know the situation.
Saya tahu situasi, saya ambil aja. Saya tahu memang ini bukan pilihan saya.
We need some players, but how to get the players? Because everybody sounds it's very hard to get. But we'll try to get in some position. We'll try to get some players. Fill up because we have so many masih muda players. You cannot develop straight away 10, 12 players. We can develop 1, 2, 3 players will be fantastic.
Ya, kita punya beberapa pemain, memang kita masih cari beberapa pemain juga di beberapa posisi. Terkait dengan anak muda katanya ya kita masih tunggu mereka Mbak, kita bisa harapkan langsung tiba-tiba 12 anak muda langsung 12 keluar jadi pemain sepak.
kalau yang sangat berat ya.
This condition, the current condition is heavy to take care. Like tough with the current condition that you have now.
We need 2 more foreign players. We need for each position 2 quality players if we can get. We have the good potential. These 12, 13 players is very hard to play, be successful. We need at least 15, 16 good or 17 good players and they have the other to fill up this young boys.
Ya, katanya untuk sekarang kita punya sekitar
We have now maybe 30, 40 players without import players.
Ya, 14 pemain katanya siap pakai. Kita masih membutuhkan 2 pemain asing. Ya, kita untuk mencari untuk menjadi melakukan banyak hal nanti di musim yang panjang ya. Kita butuhkan sekitar 17-18 pemain yang siap pakai.
We have a lot of new boys.
Ada banyak wajah-wajah baru katanya, anak baru.
We will now try and see. When you have the eyes, we will try to see from the game to game. We will try and try. We cannot get now to Barcelona and Bayern play to Choba or Borneo for a difficult situation. I would like to have the strong opponent, but we are not ready now without 4 import players. How we can play? It's better that these young boys give more courage, encouragement to play against local side, and they get confidence to play.
Ya, katanya kita belum cukup siap katanya untuk melawan tim tangguh. Lebih baik katanya berkembangnya pelan tapi pasti memberikan waktu juga kepada anak-anak muda untuk mendapatkan kepercayaan diri mereka dalam pertandingan.
There is no alasan. What we have to try to make it.
Ya,
no alasan. No,
tidak ada alasan apa yang kita punya. Katanya kita akan berusaha dengan
that's media. But through the
ada.
To tell the truth to others. We need time, waktu to build up this team.
Kita butuh waktu katanya untuk membangun.
Oke, ini.